Three.
All right, so I think stats will probably be like the most insightful class you'll ever have. Like you'll learn a lot about data. Learn like you'll be using actually a lot of real life data, and then just you'll learn a lot of like life lessons as well. Not just statistics, but like just really like a lot of stuff from Mr. Ho. Like you're actually really lucky to have Mr. Ho as a stats teacher. I would like to say, like, I'm not being like overly dramatic or anything, but really Mr. Ho was born to teach stats. So he can teach it like he knows the back of his hand. So you don't have to worry about that. He knows what he's doing. So trust him with like learning how to do stats. So so don't worry about the material. He will give you plenty of time to learn, and if you ever have any questions, do not be afraid to ask. You can come in during his free periods. You know, stop him in the middle of class. He'll always be open to questions, and in fact, he really likes it when you actually have input on the lessons that he gives. There's actually a lot of independence in this class, so you'll be doing a lot of like taking notes on your own, and then he'll reteach lessons again in the class the next day. So and then you'll also be doing the homework the night after that. So basically you'll basically practicing the lesson almost twice. So that you have that, and I would recommend that you do your homework. You'll have homework every single day, so I recommend that you do your homework every single day. In fact, like I've been balancing 4 AP classes, yearbook, all year. Place stats is kind of my top priority in doing my whole workload, because kind of like stats actually takes a lot of time. It takes like probably about 2 hours of work, maybe 3 hours actually. If you really look into the notes, like I kind of like took notes about every single page. I made bullet points of what I need. I color coded my notes. I did a lot trying to like make sure that I absorbed everything, because like Mr. Ho will go over it in class, but you kind of like, it's kind of really nice to actually know what you're going to learn once you're walking into class. So I highly recommend like actually taking advantage of like the night before, looking at everything, because you'll be assigned that work, and then coming in the next day just being prepared for like what Mr. Ho will review with you guys. So I think if you do that, like kind of just like devoting a good amount of time to studying stats, you'll be really ready for the test, because the test like seems really daunting, but like if you understand what you're doing, you know, you look over your inference tests, know some of the formulas. You actually have most of the formulas on a formula sheet for you during the test. Just if you know what you're doing, you review, just do your work. You'll be prepared for the test, and you'll just do just fine. You know, be on top of things. If you're not on top of things, you might trip, but like, you know, you can always just get back up, and like really you have nothing to worry about. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. You know, good luck. You guys will definitely get a 3 or greater. I'm sure of that.